favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the cat.
Ah, okay.
That looks like a rat.
Yours the cat. So, everyone choose an animal, okay? And you say, I choose.
I choose a kangaroo.
Okay.
I choose a panda.
Ooh, okay.
I choose a snake.
Okay.
I choose a cat.
Okay. So now, do you remember the other animals?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you ready? You're gonna have to say, what's your animal? Kangaroo.
Yes.
You're the kangaroo?
Yes.
Say, kangaroo likes panda.
Okay.
Who's the panda? Panda, you have to pass it. So you say, panda likes...
The snakes.
Okay? Okay. And you pass it. And I will have to tag you.
Okay.
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 Ready?
Yep.
And go.
Kangaroo likes cat.
Cat likes a panda.
Panda likes a snake.
Ah! Sorry. Got you. You didn't have time to speak. Now you're in the middle.
Okay.
And I'm a dog. Okay? And I start. Dog.
She doesn't like losing us.
So usually you do play this game in a big circle because otherwise it's a bit too hard too easy to tag people. But yes, play in a big circle. Okay, obviously for the needs of this video we could not make a bigger circle, but you guys get the idea. Okay, let's continue.
Snake like kangaroo. Kangaroo likes
There we go, okay. So now the thing is, you get the idea. You can adapt this game to a lot of other sentences.
Oh,
For example,
I know. Like, my name is Heather, her name is Claire.
My name is Claire, her name is Olivia.
My name is Olivia, his name is Cliff.
My name is Cliff, her name is Heather.
My name is Heather, her name is Claire.
My name is Claire, his name is Claire.
My name is Cliff, her name is Olivia.
Olivia. My name is Olivia. My name is Heather.
okay, so remember that the person has to tag, but if it's a big circle, they actually have to run and they won't always have time to tag the person who's talking, okay?
Okay.
Excellent, and of course you can adapt this to many other things, you know.
Yes.
I like pizza, you like spaghettis,
Spaghetti.
etc.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect, another game that you can adapt with your students to a lot of themes. Okay, have fun with that. Bye.